Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have Wi-Fi. Once done, back up or note key settings so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings, tap Additional Settings, then Language and Input. This is where keyboard and emoji behavior link. You're beginning the update process rather than hunting menus later, so act now and follow the next steps to add or change emoji packs and keyboard apps. You should install a modern keyboard like Gboard from the Play Store because many emoji updates arrive via keyboard apps. After installation, grant required permissions so emoji and sticker packs work across apps. Then, navigate back to Settings right arrow language and Input and switch your default keyboard to the new app. This change enables updated emoji rendering and additional emoji keyboards. Make sure to test input in Messages or a Notes app to confirm the new emoji set appears as expected before moving to final steps. Finish by testing emojis in Messages, WhatsApp and browser to confirm the new set displays correctly. If you see empty boxes instead of emoji, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall it. This often resolves font sync issues. Also restart the phone to force system font refresh. If problems persist, make sure your system is updated or restore your earlier backup and try an alternative keyboard. One key troubleshooting tip. Reinstalling the keyboard typically fixes rendering glitches quickly, so try that before deeper restores.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.